Hi, we're Armstrong, New Zealand's leading locksmiths and alarm specialists. We started as locksmiths in 1980. In 3 years, we moved into our first shop. In 10 years, we grew. We've got 18 shops around New Zealand and 75 expert staff. In 1994, we brought you new services, such as alarms for your home and your business, the latest access control technologies, and the latest and greatest in surveillance systems. And we still offer those. We're also socially active. You can follow us on Facebook or YouTube. Armstrong, Smarter Security.